This is my wife's 2015 Camaro, and as I drove it into town to get parts for a 30-minute job that was working on 3 days, the tilt lever decided to fall off the column. Perfect. So, from what I see on the internet, that's a pretty simple repair. We're going to dig into it and see if we can figure it out. There's supposed to be screws on the bottom of the column. Can't see nothing. Probably shouldn't put that head against her interior. Man, 7mm. It's the new 10 if you're doing interior work. Oh, there's a fourth one. I love plastic interior stuff. I've never tore something up because I was too hard on it. Well, there it is. Let's look in there and see if we can see what's supposed to be happening. It sure looks like it should have something on it. Is that all it is? That's all it is. So just make sure you don't ever push it forward. Always kind of pull out on it when you're using it, I guess. That's dumb. Why would that not have a bolt in it? I mean, it'd be miserable to get to, but it's not like GM cares about that based on past history. That's all there is to it. Took me longer to take the screws out than it did to put that back on. Okay, I guess that's all there is to it. I guess now we just fight with the plastic going back on. Now that I know how it goes, I might be able to fish it through there next time without taking it apart. Probably not. Oh, that sounded good. Oh, it's 2 halves. You're not supposed to force it by. Son of a biscuit. Look at that. It's 2 pieces, so you don't have to fight with it like I did. Idiot! Oh, and I just knocked the lever off again. There you go. Get it back together. Start the bolts, or do we get the top hooked? I don't know. Possibly go wrong. Some guy used to using a pry bar and a hammer for everything is now pushing on delicate plastic. It's gonna be fine. Alright, let's start the screws. Feels like I might have just stripped it. Maybe not. Alright, function check. Ouch, my head. It's too low. Grown-up setting. Setting for my wife. Grown-up setting. Setting for my wife. And just like that, we figured out how to fix the tilt column. Hey, thanks General Motors for fixing something that wasn't broke. Again. If you like what we're doing, check us out on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and come back and see us again. Thanks for watching as always, and remember, if I can do it, you can do it. See you next time.